Hey YouTubers, Rory Marko here with Marko Custom Models. Just wanted to show you this is one of those things that, you know, you sort of can't sleep at night and you come down to your hobby room and you see if you can do it. And this is something I just started and I haven't done anymore. It's been sitting probably in the box now for about a year and a half again. But I took the 1965 Mustang AMT kit that had the altered wheelbase, and it had this raised up hood on it here with the velocity stacks. That's a pretty cool look. And but anyway, I wanted to build a stock 65 Mustang, and I wanted to see if I could put the quarters in, and that's what I did here. So I just took I had a parts 65 Mustang that somebody had glued up, and I cut the quarters out of it, both sides, installed them, and had to add a little bit of styrene on the bottom here just to continue this line, and I lined up the gap here. I just have to scribe this in, and then I could throw some primer on it. It'd look pretty straight, but then you wouldn't see what I've done, so that's why I wanted to just leave it like this for now. The inside of the fenders, I glued on these little strips. That just helps keep the hood in place and finishes off a little bit. You know, if you put the hood in there, you'd see a gap, so that just kind of closes up that gap. And it's kind of tough with just those little tabs. This hood has a tendency to kind of fall ahead, and then it'll fall in on the model, so it's kind of a nice way to finish that off. So yeah, it's just the body right now. I haven't done a chassis for it. I haven't really got into it, so I just wanted to show you this 65 Mustang Fastback. I know you can buy a 65 Mustang in Revell, but I wanted to do an AMT one, so that's my take on it. I'm always looking for your feedback if you want to leave a comment, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like, please subscribe. Thanks, have a great day.